Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, let's discuss about a new thing which is happening on Codedamn, that is the introduction of jobs. Getting a job, getting an internship directly when you complete a learning path, or at least you're close to completing a learning path on Codedamn. If you're new here, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. This is free of cost and helps the channel grow. So if you have been following me on Codedamn for some time, you know that I'm a big advocate of learning real world skills, not DSA and competitive coding all the time, which is like hardcore DSA. Obviously, if you're talking about strings and arrays, that is something you should know, definitely, but not graphs and, traversing a graph, BFS, TFS by your heart. You should not be, you can know that, but it's not a hard requirement to get a job, especially the ones which require a lot of practical and real world knowledge. And especially in case of startups and small companies who are trying to get their product up and ready, which are maybe funded pre-seed, seed, series A funded startups, which are looking for talent and people who can get stuff done. I believe that is a huge opportunity right now in terms of not going the traditional, the conventional route and not learning about competitive coding and not spending your so many hours on something which you would not be using anyway in your work in those companies. But instead, you should be focusing more on learning about web development and databases and distributed systems and cloud and how to set up infrastructure, how to use serverless environments, how to become an actual full stack developer who can ship applications end to end instead of just trying to get those test cases passed all day long. So the job portal which we have launched has 4 stages. It will be having 4 stages for now. The first stage is pre-alpha or alpha, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it alpha stage, which is there today. What this means is that you need to complete 60% of the learning path, which is full stack learning path. It uses third-party APIs right now for the job searching, and you can use tag filtration to actually get jobs depending on what kind of relevant skills you have. The next stage, which will be for this portal, would be when we launch this in beta. This is the place where we would actually integrate it with Codedamn very deeply in a way which means that you can apply it from a left swipe or a right swipe or a, basically a single click. So you can just apply with a left or right swipe, just like you would probably do it on some other apps. But the point here is that once we are in beta, we will actually make use of the Codedamn platform itself. We will actually make use of the things like your experience on Codedamn platform itself, your practice time, your labs completed, your projects built on Codedamn, the events you have taken part in, events and hackathons, your XP and your karma score. Now this is something which I'll discuss soon, what this is, maybe in some dedicated video. But the point here is that when we come into beta stage, this is the data. More or less, we would have a bunch of more data points, but we'll use this data to curate a profile for you depending on you're applying for full stack or Web3 roles or back-end development, front-end development, and then we will directly match you with a company which is suitable for you. And this would actually be open for internships and jobs both. Currently, this is just for jobs over here. And then once we release it from beta to, version 1, Version 1 is basically when everything is ready in a sense that all the things are ironed out. We have the companies flowing in, startups and companies flowing in, and we have you guys obviously applying for these companies and, we just matching you up once you complete a learning path or once you complete a course or anything. And the added advantage you will get over here at Codedamn is that the competition would be way less. The number of people applying for jobs on Codedamn would be lesser than other platforms. Why? Because we will be validating and we will be putting your work experience first. So if you're someone who's learning at Codedamn, if you're putting in the hours, you're putting in the work, we respect that, we would acknowledge that, the companies would acknowledge that, we'll make it in such a way. And if you are willing to put in the work and somebody else who's just looking to apply for the jobs, Codedamn is not the platform for them because, like I said, we do have a strict requirement of completing a 60% learning path, for example. So this is like a roadmap, which is still, a very much work in progress. Alpha is out right now. This beta would be out maybe in 1 to 2 months. I still cannot give you a guarantee because we have to build a full platform from scratch. And then, it will take another couple of months for it to arrive in V1 where you would have actual companies rolling in. So if everything goes right, this should be the timeline for our work. So if you want to start today, for example, you can go to codedamn.com/jobs and you will see once you complete your 60% learning path and once you complete that part, you will have these 3 columns, at least that's what they say at the moment. And these columns actually mean what they say. It's not like, it'll just be fake. Once we arrive into the beta stage, you will actually be seeing that resumes are no longer required for you. You can just directly apply to jobs in a single click. Right now, at this point, you will be able to apply for jobs using certain third-party APIs, which we have integrated. So you can see a bunch of jobs which you can apply for based on your interests. So if I just select JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, we can see a couple of jobs which are worldwide. So this is worldwide, Gleam.io is worldwide. And you can go ahead and apply for them just like you would on a regular portal. But our focus is for you to also apply for jobs worldwide, which is like, remote jobs, which is very common these days. So this website, this startup, for example, is looking for some front-end developers where it'll pay 120 to 180K USD every year. So that's like a huge amount, to be honest. And it's a front-end developer role. It's a worldwide role. So if you think you're good enough, if you have covered the learning path, if you know HTML, if you know CSS, if you know JavaScript, if you know about startups, you are interested into that, if you know React, you can see all the tags over here. That's your job, right? And like I said, it's still very early. It's very, very early. We are into the alpha stage right now. Once we move into beta stage, things would change a lot. I mean, this is the stage where actually Codedamn would have a very proper integration with other companies. Plus, we would move all of our hiring to our own platform as well. So we'll probably be dogfooding our product the moment we move to beta stage. So that's one way to, use the product. But yep, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you check out codedamn.com/jobs. You need to complete 60% learning path first before you actually start using it. And it's just not a requirement. Why? Because we don't want you to apply for a job. It's just because we want to make sure that we put the correct picture in front of it. It's not going to be another job portal. It's only an internal service. Think about this as an internal service for people who are learning to code on Codedamn. And we will be working hard to bring these companies in the beta phase to you and make sure your profiles are solid, relevant, and up to date for these companies to apply. Let's skip the DSA line. Let's end the world of competitive coding as a requirement as an interview round, because that's something which Google and DeepMind would anyway be able to do in a span of a few years, as seen in the last video, I guess. So yep, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully that was useful. If it was, leave a like, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe. That's all for this one. I'm gonna see you in the next video really soon. If you're still watching this video, make sure you comment down in the comment section, I watched this video till the end. Also, if you're not part of Codedamm's Discord community, you're missing out a lot on events which we organize on a weekly basis to code. You already know the drill. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching.